This is a basic room, just the lead-in category. So you've got the bathroom here. This is a basic room, so it does not have the tub, but it's got a nice little bench area there. Got a dual vanity and a dual rainfall shower head with another shower thing over there. Nice little bench. And then frosted door for the toilet area. And we've got the closet space. I'm not going to show you that. You've seen the other rooms. If you haven't seen it, check out the other videos. And we've got a king size bed here. There are limited rooms with 2 beds. Okay, so I will do in my review video, I will explain how many rooms they do have with 2 beds. The majority are going to be a king bed because it is adults only resort. What's kind of cool is you've got the chargers here on either side of the bed, and you've got a fast charging port as well as a regular USB port. So you don't even need to bring your plug in. We've got the coffee center here. This is a little bit different than Vantage Club. So Vantage Club, you get the pods, whereas here you get just the regular coffee unit. You've got a wine fridge there. And this is on the bay view, the sunset view. So nice couch there. And the TVs are massive. They are smart TVs. So you can actually cast from your phone if you want to watch videos or something. And this is a view. I'm not going to go outside because they're doing the aerobics and stuff, and it's a little bit busy down there. But this is where you get little bites, like burgers and fries and nachos and stuff like that. But this is the view. And right about that way is where you're going to see the sunset. So for a basic room, you really can't complain. If you want the ocean view, all you have to do is pop upstairs to the rooftop, and you've got a 360-degree view of the golf course as well as the ocean. Absolutely stunning.